What is going on, my party people? What is going on? I know it's been a minute. It's got a lot of stuff. We got a lot of stuff going on. I know we owe y'all who has the heat for and all of that good stuff. A lot of little ins and outs. We're gonna get together. So I've been busy, just busy. If you follow me on IG, E_money_shoe, you know I got the merch trying to drop it on Monday. Gonna be $25, including shipping. If you want to get the shirt specialized, it'd be 30. Shout out to the homie Snooch Customs. We're gonna do Who Has the Heat as always. Merch gonna be provided by Snooch Customs and Money Run Clothing. Shout out as always to the fam 313 Retro Queen, PMKICKZ, McFly, KOF. I ain't gonna do no intro, no outro, all of that good stuff. Y'all already know how I do it. I'm just gonna keep it simple until I get everything, like I said, situated. Of course, I've been copping shoes, but you know how that stuff goes with YouTube. Life comes first. So eventually, I will get my ish together. So as you can see right here, this is in a box. I caught FedEx red-handed. Them jokers just dropped it off, one knock, and he was out. He was out like deuces, right? I had to open the box just to give myself a little bit of a starter, so I ain't got to be sitting here rolling around on the ground with the shoe trying to get the box. So you can see it got that Just Do It tape. So good thing I caught the FedEx guy right in hand. I mean, the tape is pretty good on here, but not too bad. I bought some on the Nike app, and then it was, you get a $75 coupon. So I got these shoes for $75. Today was a whopping $150. So this is one of these hated or love it shoes. You don't even get a receipt. Nike is really tripping now. So now you don't know what you're getting from them. But if you're getting a Fugazi or what, but I don't think they making any Fugazis of these. So as you can see, we're back to the normal box. These are the Air Jordan Dub Zero. I like these shoes. Like they say, rock and cop what you like. Do what you gotta do. So this colorway is gem red, black. Price or size is 10.5. I went up just to be on the safe side. I had a lot of these back in the day. I had the citrus and white, blue and white. I am gonna get the original, which is the bread colorway, the white, red, and black. And I've seen some all black colors. You can see, like I said, you got the QR code there that you can scan to the RF code, the 40 code there, 150. Like I said, I got them for $75. My favorite color is red, of course. No gang affiliation, and just red just really pops. So you can open the box, you don't see you got no stamp. You can see not even tried on, nothing. I'm sharing this with my family. Nice crispy 23 paper. It should come like so. Then inside you got some more paper. So in my efforts to get 1 through 34, I think I need 3 more, and it should be completed with the whole Jordan series. And just look, that is a very beautiful shoe. Just throw all of that in there like so, and we're gonna plop it right here. I likes it a lot. This is a new colorway. I don't recall them having this colorway back in the day. Now a little bit about this shoe. This got a lot of stuff going on. It's a Tinker Hatfield mix with all those other guys. Got a little dusty on there. You got the Jordan 4. You got the Jordan 6. You got the Jordan 11. You got the Jordan 12. You got the Jordan 15. And the Jordan 19. I mean, not 19, Jordan 20. All in this shoe. So you can actually say this, or the 6 ring could be one of the official What The shoes minus the color, because it got everything going on in this shoe. As you can see, you can get one spin around. I love these shoes. They are comfortable. Anybody that got a pair of these shoes know they are nice and comfy. So going underneath, right, you got the hits, the pop out stars, all the herringbone traction, the white, the red, just like you would have on a pair of Jordan 4s. Then you're coming around on the toe box, you got the shiny patent leather, right? That resembles the Jordan 11. Right here you got Jordan, You don't have nothing behind here. Coming up on, you have the 2-3, which resembles, right, the Jordan 12. Then you got your, this is another different touch here, leather. Normally just regular material, which you got the jump, stitched in Jumpman. No butt crack on this one. Jordan is kind of muscular, as you can see. Look, he got a little Popeye muscle right there. You see that? A little bit strong, but that's okay. Jordan brand QC, right? Then coming around on the side, you got your air unit like so, like on the Fords with that paint all popping. Coming around here, you got your etched in, graphics, just like you would have on the Jordan 20 and stuff. I forgot, let me say the 15 hits. I forgot where they are, but excuse me for that. But this is the Jordan 20. Then you got the gloss, as you can see, on the eyelets on the shoe, and more of the hits for the 11. Coming around on the ass, you see you got the Jordan, right? The stitching is not too bad. You got leather hits right here. You got the spoiler, just like you would have on the Jordan 6. Some people use it, some you can hang it on the door, do whatever you like on the shoe. Coming around on the media side, see some more must been sitting, got a little bit of dust on the shoe, but like I said, you can get up and close and personal. You can see all the stuff etched in the shoe like you would on the Jordan 20. You can see you got etched, and that's the Jordan 17, different stuff. You got Jordan 18. Let me see what other Jordans you got mixed in the shoe. That looks like the Jordan 13 right there. Okay, that's the Jordan 13 upside down. So you can see a lot of little graphics going on in the shoe, which I think is a very, very dope touch. And then coming around here, you got your code, where you can put in here your QC code. Make sure you got a legit pair of shoes. You pull out the shoe tree like so. Nothing spectacular about the laces on this shoe. Like I said, this is a truly a hate it or love it shoe. As you can see, 10 to 10 and a half, which is very, very dope. On the insole, you got black insole, a size 10 and a half with the red Jumpman on the shoe. And you can see the sun just decided to make a guest appearance just out of nowhere. So I really, really like this shoe. Glad I was able to get it for $75. I mean, what can you say? Ain't got no receipt to prove it. You got to go and get that, pull it off the email. All these receipts now are email. Everybody being lazy, everybody want to go paperless now, unless you actually physically request for a receipt. Now, on the little meter, I may be a little bit partial, but I think this is a well-made shoe. You got a lot going on. Very, very detailed shoe. So out of 5, I give it about a 4.8 out of 5. Just spinning around, take a good look at the shoe. I think it is very, very well done, in my opinion. So you let me know what you think. Leave a comment and suggestion below. We on the road to 10K. We just cruising along at a nice little altitude. We'll do our next little mini giveaway about 7,500 to 8,000. Like I said, ain't no rush. We hit 10K by the end of the year. I am happy. And like I said, go follow us on the Who Has the Heat page. We'll be on and popping. I should have who's all the participants in the battle either later tonight or tomorrow. Thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.